action. Do y'all see? That is an empty cake pan.
Server.
Done.
Done.
So what do you want me to make next, dear?
It's done like a bread bun.
Do you want a buttermilk chess pie or pumpkin or...
Yeah, I can't. Or I'm gonna be like super shred.
You could be on that show heavy.
Yeah.
Super Sheree. You're already Super Sheree.
And then
It's really grating on my skin, the scraping in that pan, because I can see the marks forming as you eat. Do y'all hear?
there's no more.
Oh my gosh. Yes, there are. God, you want to lick the sides? I mean, that'd be a show for everybody. That was just joking. 3, 2, 1.